As seen in the video, lighter uses butane gas to produce flame. Similarly, different gases are used for producing a flame in torches. Recall that presence of oxygen is essential for combustion to take place. In case of lighter, oxygen present in the air helps the gas to burn. To produce very hot flame in a torch for melting metal, oxygen present in the atmosphere is not sufficient. Every fuel gas used in a torch is added with compressed oxygen. This produces hot flame required for metal joining process. There are three basic gases used in torches: acetylene, MAPP, methylacetylene propadiene, and propane. These are classified based on the temperatures at which they burn and their application. Acetylene has unstable nature. It can suddenly explode unless it is kept at the proper pressure between 15 psi and 29.4 psi. It is a colorless gas with a strong garlic odor. Acetylene produces an extremely hot flame, up to temperatures of 10,832 degrees Fahrenheit. Due to its high heat, acetylene is often used to cut and weld hard metals such as cast iron and steel. MAPP gas is part of the acetylene family. This gas can burn up to 5,300 degrees Fahrenheit and is used for heating and cutting metals. MAPP gas is not prone to explosion if the cylinder is hit or bumped. It also can withstand higher pressures. It's good for underwater work, like repairing ships. Propane is the same gas we commonly use in household grills. Propane is sold in a liquid state in tanks that range from 20 to 100 liters bs. Propane burns at about 5,200 degrees Fahrenheit and is used for heating and cutting metals, and even cooking. The torch gases are supplied to the torches through various components. Let us now look at each of them. A torch consists of the following main components: cylinder, regulator, hose, and torch tip. The cylinder is a storage device that holds the fuel for the torch. Typically, oxygen and the gas fuel are kept in different tanks and will only mix when they enter the torch tip. The torch regulator is a knob that adjusts the pressure of the gas fuel. This is just like the knob we use to adjust a gas stove. The more we turn the knob to the right, the bigger the flame gets. The hose connects the fuel cylinder to the torch. The fuel from the cylinder travels through the hose to the torch tip. Again, this is very similar to the pipe that connects the gas to the stove. The torch tip is the end of the torch that produces the flame. Fuel exits the tip through several holes and mixes with oxygen to produce a flame. The number of holes in the tip of the torch depends on the type of fuel being used. There are two types of torch tips: one-piece torch tip and two-piece torch tip. These tips are classified by the number of holes in the tip and the types of fuel they use. A one-piece torch tip usually has 4 to 6 holes in the tip. It is made from a copper alloy so that it can withstand the high heat from the cutting process. These tips are usually used with the acetylene fuel. A two-piece torch tip consists of an outer shell and a splined insert. The splined insert consists of grooves cut into the metal tip while the outer shell goes over top of the splined insert. This forms the complete two-piece torch tip. The splined insert eliminates the need to drill the numerous holes as needed in a one-piece torch tip. These tips are used when the burning action needs to be slow and calm. They typically are used with MAPP gas,